Hello guys, good evening. Guys, now I make dessert, Philippine dessert. Okay. The ingredients is coconut string, what is it? Nata de coco, Mr. Gulaman orange and strawberry. And I mix already the condensed and Nestle cream. This is yum. I'm making dessert guys because me and ate were craving dessert. Ano to ate? Coconut with jelly. Basta, yun na yun. Coconut with jelly dessert. Okay. Yan siya. Yan. Okay guys, I'm gonna mix the condensed and Nestle cream.
Hello guys. Kumusta mga kapeg? Nagawa kami ng gumawa siya ng gulaman salad. Masarap guys, kahit hindi ko pa natikman.
So now, guys, the gulaman jelly now I'm done slicing. So now I'm gonna make mikos now, like that. Okay, I'm gonna make mikos. It's mikos times mikos time guys. Yan, mikos kung aray ko bigat. Mikos. Goodness, ang bigat. Ano? Ay. Nabuhos. Oh my goodness. Nabuhos pa. Kunin natin to. Sayang. Yan guys.
Kunti lang ang condense.
Ayan guys, now na mikos na talaga. Yan. See, ang ganda. Ala. Ang ganda na siya. Ayan guys, done na. Okay. Ayan, tapos na guys. Ayan na ang resulta ng mikos na dessert ko. Yan. Oh, yummy. Diba? Oh, ang bilis. Ayan, kainan na. Ayan guys. Isang Tupperware. Dalawa lang kami ni ating kakain yan. Kasi daw, diet. Yan ang mga diet. Isang Tupperware na dessert. Foods is life daw eh.